Hello, very good afternoon. मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप सब लोगों को? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Yes. Ankita, Shruti, tell me. Yes, sir. Pramodini is saying yes, sir. So very good. Chalo. So can I start the lecture now? Can I start the lecture? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. This is the response I want from you people. Very good. How is your lecture going? Other subject? Sardar Singh, very good. Rupesh Yadav, Shivani, Sabha, very good. So can I start lecture? So before going to the lecture, I want to tell you something. For today's lecture, आप लोगों को नोटबुक और पेन लेके बैठना है. क्या लेके बैठना है? नोटबुक और पेन लेके बैठना है. Because in this lecture we are going to solve the problems. Because in this lecture we are going to solve some problems based on methods of expressing precision. Methods of expressing precision. In the last lecture we have seen what is meant by accuracy, what is meant by precision, and we have seen some difference between accuracy and precision. That figure was there, figure A B C D. Okay, so I hope now you know very well what is accuracy, what is precision. Okay, now in this lecture we will see the methods which are used, or which are that methods are expressed the precision. So there are four methods. In the last lecture we have seen the name of that four methods. In today's lecture we are going to see the definition of that four method, formulas of that four method, and how to use that method while calculating the precision. Okay, so we will start the today's lecture. This is your lecture number 3. We are talking about the topic that is errors in quantitative analysis. This is your lecture number 3 and we are talking about the errors in quantitative analysis. Okay, so come to the our main point, that is methods of expressing precision. That is methods of expressing the precision. These four methods are there. Deviation is there, average deviation is there, standard deviation is there, and relative mean deviation is there. So these all four methods we are going to see now. For example, if you ask to calculate the relative mean standard deviations, then to calculate this relative mean standard deviation you have to calculate deviation also, average deviation also, and standard deviation also. So these three terms are very important. These three terms are very important. Which three terms? Deviation, one more term is there, I have not written that term here, mean. I thought you all people are known how to, or you people knows how to calculate mean. ठीक है, आप लोगों को पता है how to calculate mean और average. ठीक है ना? So mean is also there. Mean is also a very important term. ठीक है, so we will see all these terms one by one. First we will see the deviation. This deviation is denoted by this symbol del. Deviation is denoted by symbol del. ठीक है, or delta. So we will see the definition. If you have notebook, you can write down the definition of deviation. What deviation means? Deviation is the difference between individual result. Deviation means difference between individual results and mean or average result. It is called as a deviation. So you should know what is mean or what is average result. First, you have to calculate deviation. For example, you have to calculate deviation. Then to calculate deviation, you have to calculate the mean or average result. Because of, if you see formula, this deviation is represented delta is equal to x minus x bar, x minus x bar. And what is this x? X means it is a individual result. X means it is a individual result, and x bar means it is a mean result or average result value. So to calculate deviation, you have to calculate mean. So for example, you have asked any problem, then first thing you have to calculate the mean. आपका पहला काम क्या है? पहला आपका काम है जो कुछ भी आपको रिजल्ट दिए, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, वॉट एवर द रिजल्ट इज देयर, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मीन ऑफ दैट रिजल्ट. द वेरी फर्स्ट वर्क यू हैव टू परफॉर्म. ठीक है, क्या करना है आप सब लोगों को? सबसे पहले क्या करना है, बोलो जल्दी से. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट, बोलो इन चैट बॉक्स. First you have to calculate the mean. First you have to calculate the mean. ठीक है, yes or no? Yes. Anjas is saying yes, Pramodini is saying, Anjas is saying mean, Pramodini is also saying mean. So first thing what you have to calculate, you have to calculate the mean. Very good. First you have to calculate the mean. ठीक है, how to calculate mean, if you know that very well, but if you don't know, don't worry about it. I will tell you while we are solving the problems. During the solving of problems, I will tell you how to calculate the mean. ठीक है, चलो. So this is the first methods to express precision. Which first method? That is deviation. This deviation is denoted by delta, and the definition of deviation is it is the difference between individual result, that means this x, it is the difference between individual result and mean or average result. Very simple formula is there, and you have to remember this formula also. You have to remember this formula. Individual result minus mean result will give you a deviation. ठीक है, then the next term is mean deviation or average deviation. It is denoted by delta bar. It is denoted by a delta bar. It is denoted by a delta bar. Mean or average deviation. What is the definition of mean or average deviation? It is arithmetic sum of all the individual deviation divided by the number of set of data point. It is called as a mean deviation. Once you have calculated deviations, for example, for 5 data sets are there, and you have calculate deviation for all these 5 data sets. For example, delta 1, delta 2, delta 2, delta 3, delta 4, delta 5. ठीक है, for example, these are individual deviation, and mean deviation means you have to divide it by it with 5. You have to divide it with 5. It will give you a mean deviation or average deviation. The arithmetic sum of all the individual deviation divided by the number of set of data point is called as a mean deviation. It is called as a mean deviation. This is the formula. This is the formula. Mean deviation, it is denoted by delta bar, del 1, del 2 plus del 3 up to the delta n. N is the number of sets. N is what? N is the number of point or number of, n is number of data set or number of data point, and you have to divide with this n. So this is the formula. Remember this formula. Delta bar is equal to delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 divided by the number of data set. This is the second method by which we can express the precision, and the name of this second method is mean or average deviation. ठीक है, here delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 up to delta n represent individual measurements. Represents individual measurements, and this n stands for the number of measurements, how many times that particular experiment was carried out. That number we have to divide by that number. ठीक है, चलो. Then the standard deviation is short form is SD. Standard deviation means SD, and it is denoted by a symbol sigma. It is denoted by a symbol sigma. Standard deviation. The definition of standard deviation is, it is the sum of the square root of the deviation divided by number of data point minus 1. The definition is what? It is defined as the sum of the square root of the deviations divided by the number of data points minus 1. Just see the formula. From the formula you will get the clear idea. Clear idea. SD is equal to under root of del 1 square plus del 2 square plus del 3 square plus up to del n square, and you have to divide this value with n minus 1. N is what? N is the number of data point or number of data set. Here del 1, del 2, del 3, del 4 up to del 1 represent the individual measurements, and n stands for the number of measurements, and n minus 1 stands for the number of deviations. N minus 1 is what? Number of deviation, and n is for what? Number of measurements. Okay, so this is the third way, that is standard deviation SD, denoted by a symbol sigma. Definition of this is, it is defined as the sum of the square root of the deviation divided by number of data point minus 1, in that data set. Okay, so this is the formula. Write down this formula. If you have pen and notebook, you can write down this formula, and you will require this formula while solving the problems also. So write down this formula. All the formula you have to write. Okay, okay, very good. Then next, last number of method. Now we will see the example. Before going to that, we will see the example, how to calculate mean or that thing we will see. So write down this example. The example is analysis of iron ore. Here, analysis of iron ore sample है, वो analysis किया है और iron के percentage दिए है. So analysis of iron ore sample gave the following percentage value for the iron present in that particular ore. ठीक है, जो कुछ भी ore है उसका analysis किया है, and iron का और Fe content they have given in terms of percentage. For example, 7.11, 7.19, 7.15, 7.10, 7.17, 7.16, 7.12. Calculate the mean, average deviation and standard deviation. So you have to calculate the mean. क्या कैलकुलेट करना है आप लोगों को? मीन कैलकुलेट करना है. सो हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट मीन हियर? हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट मीन? आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू कैलकुलेट मीन. मैं आप लोगों को बताऊं. मीन इज व्हाट? मीन आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. सो मीन इज इक्वल्स टू 7.11 प्लस 7.19 प्लस 7.15 plus 7.10 plus 7.17 plus 7.16 plus 7.12. So you have to add this value and divide it with the number of data set. How many number of data sets or how many times they have performed the experiments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you have to divide this value by 7. Now tell me the addition of these terms. 7.11, 7.19, 7.15, 7.10, 7.7 plus sign is there, plus 7.16 and plus 7.12. Tell me the value, and we will divide that value by 7. We will divide that value by 7. Tell me this value. Don't tell me the mean, Rupesh. Don't tell me the mean. Mean is also incorrect. 50. Ankita is saying 50. Correct. So this 50 divided by 7. How much is this? रुपेश अपने मीन गलत निकाला है. 50 divided by 7. प्रज्ञा very good. 50 divided by 7. How much is this? Correct. Very good. Abhishek, Prachi, Ankita, Sardar Singh. 50 is correct. Now tell me 50 divided by 7. How much is this? 7.14. Correct. Prajna. It is 7.14. So your mean is this. Your mean is this. So you got this x bar is equal to 7.14. X bar is equal to 7.14. Correct. Very good. All are answering now. ठीक है. Then what you have to calculate? You have to calculate second. This is first. Then second you have to calculate the deviation. Second you have to calculate deviations. How will you calculate deviation? Deviation delta is equal to x minus x bar. So for delta 1, what is the value of x? delta 1 के लिए x की वैल्यू बोलो. delta 1 के लिए x की वैल्यू बोलो मुझे जल्दी. We don't have time. For delta 1, x will be this value. Yes, 7.11. Very good. So 7.11 minus this one. X bar is equal to this. X bar is equal to 7.14. X bar is equal to 7.14. Calculate the value of del 1. Now similarly del 2. Del 2 is what? 7.19 minus 7.14. Tell me this value. Del 3. Del 3 is 7.15 minus 7.14. Calculate this one also. Del 4. Del 4 is 7.10 minus 7.14. Then here del 5 is equal to 7.17 minus 7.14. Then del 6 7.16 minus 7.14. and del 7 7.12 minus 7.14. ठीक है. चलो del 1 की वैल्यू बोलो मुझे. क्या रही del 1 की वैल्यू? दिस वैल्यू बोलो. del 1 7.11 minus 7.14. Ankita, you are wrong. Shivani, you are also wrong. Tell me the value. Del 1, Sandesh, correct. Del 1 is minus 0.03. Del 1 is what? Minus 0.03. Tell me del 2. Del 2. How much is this del 2? 0.05. Del 3. 0.01. Del 4 minus 0.04. Del 5 0.03. Del 6 0.02. Del 7 minus 0.02. minus 0.02. हो गए सबके कैलकुलेट करके? यस और नो? यस और नो? कैलकुलेट करके हो गए या नहीं हो गए? Del 7, correct, very good. Then we will go to the next slide. Ganesh has some questions. ठीक है, चलो. So then we will go to the next slide. Now we will calculate the squares. Del 1 square we will calculate. Del 2 square we will calculate. Del 3 square we will calculate. Del 4 square we will calculate. Del 5 square we will calculate. Del 6 square we will calculate, and del 7 square we will calculate. Now tell me the squares. चलो फटाफट से जल्दी से बोलो squares of that all deviations. Del 1, del 2, del 3, del 4, del 5, del 6, del 7. Del 1 square बोलो मुझे. Del 1 square. How much is this del 1 square? del 1 square कितना है? 0.0009, correct. Del 1 is this 0.0009. Del 2, tell me del 2. Rupesh, very good. Tell me del 2. Del 2 is 0.0025. Yes, very good. Arju. Del 3. Del 3 square 0.001. Del 3 is correct. Del 4 tell me. 0.0016. Del 5 0.0009. 0.0004. 0.0004. ये हो गई? ये हो गई del square. ये हो गया del square. Then take the addition of these all. Take the addition of these all. कितनी आ गई इसकी एडिशन? It will come to 0.0068. 0.0068. So SD is equals to summation of all the square. Summation of all the square कितना है हम लोगों का? 0.0068 divided by n minus 1. Divided by n minus 1. तो 0.0068. n is 7. 7 minus 1. So it will come 0.0068 divided by 6. How much is this? How much? How much is this? कितना आ रहा है ये? अंडर रूट 0.0068 divided by 6. Correct. Arkiti 0.0336. It will come SD is equal to SD is equal to 0.0336. So this is the standard deviation. This is standard deviation. This is standard deviation. Or what is the value of mean or average deviation? What is the value of mean or average deviation? You have to add this value. You have to add this value. Mean or average deviation. You have to add all this value. If you add all this value and divide it with correct, C1 is correct. Now just add this value and divide it with number. After adding this value, you will get 0.20 divided by 7. 0.20 divided by 7, it will come 0.028. It is mean deviation. It is the value of mean deviation or average deviation. So you have calculate mean deviation and you have calculate standard deviation. So in this way you have to calculate. ठीक है? Are you getting it or not? समझ में आ रहा है सब लोगों को? साक्षी 0.0137 नहीं आएगा. साइंटिफिक कैलसी का यूज करो. Yes, Priya is saying yes, Rupesh is saying yes. Very good. So we'll go to the next. See here. Solution of that problem. Mean is 50 divided by 7, that is 7.4. Mean is 50 divided by 7, that is 7.4. This is the value of mean. We have calculated. Very good. Then deviation we have calculated. This we have calculated. Okay. Then take the squares of that deviation. Then take the square of all these deviation. So it will get this much, 0.068, and standard deviation under root 0.068 divided by 6, it will come 0.0336. This is correct. Very good. Good job. समझ में आ रहा है? Or for example, if you have to calculate mean deviation, just divide this value by number of experiment. So it will give you 0.028. ठीक है ना? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, Atharva is saying yes. So we will go to the next slide. We will go to the next and last topic. क्या है last topic? Last topic is relative mean deviation or relative standard deviation. Last topic is relative mean deviation or relative standard deviation. Write down the definition of this topic. Relative mean deviation. It is obtained by multiplying the standard deviation by 100. It is obtained by multiplying standard deviation by 100 and dividing the product by the mean or average value. It is obtained by multiplying by standard deviation by 100 and divided by the product by the mean or average value. It is expressed in percentage or parts per thousand. It is expressed in percentage or parts per thousand. So these are the formula. Relative mean deviation is equal to average deviation divided by mean or average value into 100. It will give in terms of percentage. It will give in terms of percentage. How these relative mean deviation or relative standard deviations can be obtained? It can be obtained by multiplying average deviation into 100 and dividing the product by mean or average value. Then you will get that relative mean deviation in terms of percentage. And if you multiply it with 1000, then it will give PPT, parts per thousand. Then it will give you in case of PPT. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? Average deviation minus mean. Average deviation divided by mean value multiply by 100, it will give in terms of percentage. Then second formula is average deviation divided by mean or average value multiplied by 1000, then it will give in terms of parts per 1000. So this is the relative mean deviation. What is the relative mean deviation? It is obtained by multiplying the standard deviation by 100 and dividing the product by mean or average value. It is expressed in terms of percentage or it is expressed in terms of parts per 1000. For example, the formula relative mean deviation is equal to average deviation divided by mean value multiplied by 100, then it will come in terms of percentage. Second formula is relative mean deviation is equal to average deviation divided by mean or average value multiplied by 1000, it will come in terms of parts per 1000. Okay, so we'll see example. In example you will get the clear idea what is this relative mean standard deviation means. Relative mean deviation or relative standard deviation means exactly. So example is, you can write down this example. Analyst or a chemist for example analyst or a chemist were obtained 4 measurements on repeating the same experiment. For example, a chemist or analyst obtained the 4 measurements on repeating the same experiment. That values are 51.4, 55.7, 49.9, 52.1. Calculate the mean deviation. क्या calculate करना है आपको? You have to calculate the mean deviation. Ashish. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes after my lecture is over. In that section we will discuss about your problems and deviations. Okay? So first of all, see this example. Analysts were obtained for the same measurements on repeating the same experiment, and the analyst or chemist has got this value 51.4, 55.7, 49.9, 52.1. Calculate the mean deviation, standard deviation and relative mean deviation. Calculate the mean deviation, standard deviation and relative mean deviation. So first what you have to do, you have to calculate the mean. Now tell me the mean. Solution, if you are talking about the solution, first thing what you have to do, you have to calculate the mean. What is mean? You have to add these all 4 values 51.4, 55.7 plus 49.9 plus 52.1 divided by how many sets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 sets are there. So divided by 4. So add this value and tell me. किती add 51. रुपेश ने डायरेक्टली मीन कैलकुलेट कर दिया है. वेरी गुड. रुपेश ने डायरेक्टली मीन कैलकुलेट करके दिया है. 209. correct. It comes 209, and if you divide 209 by 4 it will give the mean 52.25. this is the mean. Then what you have to calculate? You have to calculate a mean deviation. But to calculate mean deviation first, you have to calculate deviation. So second चीज क्या करनी है आप लोगों को? You have to calculate deviation. And what is deviation? Deviation means x minus x bar. Deviation means x minus x bar. So del 1 is equal to 51.4 minus 52.25. Then del 2 is what? 55.7 minus 52.25. calculate these values. This is del 2. Then del 3 is what? 49.9 minus 52.25. and del 4 50 52.1 minus 52.25. Calculate these values and tell me del 1 is how much. कितना आ रहा है del 1? How much del 1 की वैल्यू कितनी है? 51.4 minus 52.25. How much is this? Tell me. Tell me the value of del 1. It is minus 0.85. Then del 2 1.45. Then del 3 2.45. del 4 1.85. del 4 is 1.85. Are you getting me or not? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Yes or no? So it is deviation for all these 4 sets. It is deviation for all these 4 sets. Yes or no? Yes or no? Please reply. Yes or no? Where are you all? Are you there in the lecture or not? और चले गए सब लोग? Yes. कहाँ है भाई आप लोग? अगर आप लोग पीछे है तो लाइव पे क्लिक करो. If you are not with me, then you have to click live, then you will come with me. आप लोग लाइव नहीं हो. So this is the value of deviation. For example, next what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the mean deviation. क्या निकालना है आप लोगों को? Mean deviation निकालना है. So add this value and divide it with 4. So after adding, कितना आ रहा है आप लोगों के? आपको 6.6 divided by 4. It will give you mean deviation, MD. It will give you mean deviation, and mean deviation is 1.65. Mean deviation is 1.65. Then next क्या करना है आप लोगों को? You have to take squares. You have to take squares for all these value. Squares लेने, क्या लेने? Squares लेने. So इसका square आ जाएगा 0.722, इसका आ जाएगा 2.10, इसका स्क्वायर है 6.00, इसका स्क्वायर है 3.42. Add this value, you will get 12.443. So this is your mean deviation. Now we will calculate the standard deviation. ठीक है. So standard deviation, SD means under root 12.243 divided by n minus 1. So therefore under root 12.243 divided by n is how much? N is 4 minus 1. So 12.243 divided by 3 How much is this value? This value will come 2.20. So this is your SD. This is your SD, standard deviation. Then we will calculate the relative mean deviation. Last we will calculate relative mean deviation. Relative mean deviation means average deviation. Relative mean deviation means average deviation divided by mean. Average deviation divided by मीन. एवरेज डेविएशन कितना आया था हम लोगों का 1.65. एवरेज डेविएशन कितना आया था 1.65 और मीन कितना था हमारा 52.25. if you multiply it with 100 it will give in terms of percentage. So how much is this value? This value will come 3